Hello and welcome to ScandiPWA community session with merchants. Alex here today with you, and as usual on Thursdays we are taking a look back at the past week and checking what were the most interesting updates happened with ScandiPWA project during the past week. Today I have prepared three main highlights to cover during today's short session. First one is ScandiPWA team revealing plans. We are going to check the message from ScandiPWA front-end development lead Alfreds and see what are the short-term goals for ScandiPWA project and what to expect from ScandiPWA in this and upcoming ones. Then we are going to check the new release and what is included in ScandiPWA 2.12.1. And lastly, we have a new workshop video uploaded just yesterday, the ScandiPWA Extensions 101. We are going to check what's inside this video and how can you learn from it. So let's start with the first topic for today's short session, the ScandiPWA team revealing plans. As mentioned, if you are following our videos, you probably already know ScandiPWA front-end lead Alfreds. So here in this video that was released last week, we have a message from Alfreds covering the most up-to-date information about what's happening with ScandiPWA and what are our short-term plans. So for merchants specifically, I believe you will be mostly interested in what are the things that we are concentrating right now. As Alfred's stated, right now we believe the ScandiPWA product is ready to use, and the team is going to focus on improving stability of it and enhancing the theme. That being said, doesn't mean that there will be no new features. We are introducing a new core maintainer who will be responsible for taking care of new features and taking care of the core, while the rest of the team will be focusing on improving what we have built already, improving stability, fixing known bugs, fixing all possible, enhancing the theme in all possible ways. Also, there's a lot of interesting information regarding our next anticipated big news, the ScandiPWA 3.x version that is going to be released really soon. So Alfred is sharing some updates regarding the 3.x version and innovations, what to expect in the 3.x version. Meanwhile, the team is still working on improving the ScandiPWA, and we have a new release that was rolled out just a couple of days ago. The ScandiPWA 2.12.1 is here, and as it was previously stated by Alfreds, the developer and front-end lead, we are focusing on improving the stability, and basically this release is all about enhancing the theme. So here on our GitHub page you can see the feature breakdown and what's actually released in 2.12.1 version. The link is added to the description, so if you want to read more, make sure to follow the link. But in shortly, as was stated, we're focusing on code style improvements, stability improvements, and fixing bugs, so you can leverage the solution and use a better product. And our next update, something that I wanted to share with you today, is a new video that was uploaded just yesterday, the ScandiPWA Extensions 101, the first video from the series of videos on working with extensions in ScandiPWA was released. This is a video workshop covering some basic aspects on how to work with extensions in ScandiPWA, and here in this video you can find more information. Take a look at new extensibility functionality. You'll learn some basic concepts of extendability, and since it's a merchant's a session for merchants, most likely this content is tailored for developers, and you would like to share this video with your agency or with your developers. Still, it's very useful for any merchant to know that the extensibility functionality is here, and you can already leverage it, and you can build on top of existing ScandiPWA theme. And in case you have any questions regarding to extensions, or you're willing to implement some specific extensions, make sure to reach out to us and ask your questions. We're here to help you and guide you, and we'll definitely can help you with everything that is related to ScandiPWA. Meanwhile, the link is added to the description, and you're welcome to check the video. Let us know in comments what do you think about it. Share it with your agency or developers, and let us know what they think about it. And meanwhile, we are preparing more videos and overall working on a new extension mechanism, so you can implement your extensions seamlessly and leverage the ScandiPWA theme straight away. So that being said, I have recapped the most interesting updates that happened with ScandiPWA project during the past week. This is my email address. Send any questions you have. Also add your questions to the comments section below this video, and let us know what you think about this format. Do you like it? What do you want to see in the upcoming videos? And if you have any suggestions, let us know, and we will cover it during the next session. Thank you for watching this video, and see you next time. Bye.